Oh, 100 miles an hour. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to another episode of Bennett Bass Fishing. We are here on a warm water reservoir. I'm in about 11 feet of water. I'm fishing for crappie and perch. Now that's what I'm targeting. A bonus bass would be nice, but I don't think that's going to happen today. I'm fishing with basically 2 rods. I'm fishing with one that's going to lure in the fish with a rattle trap, and then I'm fishing with one that has a little basically crappie plastic on it. And I'm going to show you guys why I use a fish finder, a general, like normal fish finder, instead of a flasher. And hope you guys watch, like, subscribe, hit the little bell notification button here, wherever it is. I can never remember. Enjoy. Oh, there's something down there, all right. Looks like a crappie. Got something finally. Crappie! Just keep them fired up down there. Nice little guy right there. There we go. Gotta wait for those really hard hits sometimes to get perch. Well, and he wasn't even hooked that hard, but that's him right there. We gotta go down. There we go, down. What I know is his buddy's still down there, probably another perch. You guys watched it on the screen. Coming up 100 miles an hour to get it. Come on. There we go, felt that bite. Saw it too, another perch. Get off of there, come on. Alright, so I'm going to narrate a little bit. So that right there is me, my little bibbit, and the little paddle tail guy. And this is the Humminbird Helix 10. This is overkill for ice fishing. But one of the great advantages of using the 10 is, or using one that's not a flasher, is I can see the history of what I've been doing, not just a little bar that's moving up and down. So once I get this fish call back in here, see, that's one right there. He's off to the side. He's coming in right now. So that's me, that's a fish. And the more solid red it gets, the closer he is right underneath my transducer. So you really want the fish to be active enough or aggressive enough to follow your lure up and down. Right now this one's not really having it. So I can try a couple different methods, putting it right in front of his face, which sometimes works. You can also use the dead stick technique, which I'm going to try with this one now because he's being a little finicky. So that's the dead stick technique, it's just sitting on the ice, just chilling there. My heartbeat's not involved in it, I'm not really... just missed him like there. So that's the first time he's actually bitten it, whatever it is. It could be crappie. The way it just acted right there is more perch-esque. And having the history on this device, where the hook has been, and what the fish is doing is really crucial to like learning how these fish react on based on how you're moving the lure. So I can move it sporadically and the fish can swim away, but I would never know that really and where he goes. with a flasher. Another little tanker. Oh, 100 miles an hour. 1, 2, 3. Crappie! Loving it. Loving it today, guys. Crappie! Not very big. Well, it looks like the school of perch and the crappie have been moving around quite a bit, so I've been moving around quite a bit. They'll be in one spot for a little while, and then I'll hook them too much, and then they'll move again. Oh yeah, there's something there. Nailed it. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it's a little bass. That's where all my fish are going. It's a little largy. 14 hours later. Get a little picture of the little guy. That was sweet. First bass of 2019. Bonus bass. Well, his buddy's interested, maybe not him. That's something a little bit bigger. Maybe on a bass. Oh, it was a pickerel. Lost him at the hole.